Hello everybody, how are you? Today we will solve model number 1, geometric, prep 2 from Math Questions Bank. Look at question number 1. Look at with me about left hand side here. The number axis of symmetry of equilateral triangle equal 3. Question number 1. We asked about the number of line symmetry of equilateral triangle. Line here 1 and 2 and 3. We have 3 line symmetry about equilateral triangle. So we must choose letter A about question number 1. Okay. Again, the number of axes of symmetry of equilateral triangle equals 3. Question number 2. A set of number which can be lengths of sides of triangle R. We know the sum of any two sides in triangle must be more than the third, such that look at letter A, 5 and 3 and 8. We must choose the smaller here. 5 plus 3 equal 8, so we can't draw triangle here. You must know the inequality about any triangle. If we add two sides to them, the sum will be more than the third. So letter A false. Look at letter B. 4 and 6 and 12. 4 plus 6 equal 10. Less than 12. So it's false. The result must be greater than the third, not less than. Okay? Not less than or equal. It's false. Look at letter C about this question. What is about this group? 2, 6, 3. We will choose 2 plus 3 equal 5. 2 plus 3 equal 5. 5 less than the third here 6. So we can't choose 2 and 3 and 6. Okay. Letter D. Letter D about question 2. Look at this set here. 3 and 5 and 5. Yes. We must choose 3 and 5 and 5 because 3 plus 5 equal 8. 8 less than 3 plus 5 equal 8 more than the third here 5. Okay, so we must choose letter D. You must know when you want to draw any triangle, the sum of any two sides must be more than the third, such that ABC is triangle. If AB plus BC more than AC, so you must or you can draw triangle. Then in this example number 2, we must choose letter D because 3 plus 5 equal 8. 8 more than 5. It's okay. Okay, question number 3. Look at with me here. In triangle ABC, measure angle C 65 degree and measure angle A equal 75 degrees. Then what is true about choose letter A or B or C or D? First, we must know the third angle in triangle. We know the sum of interior in a triangle will be 180. The sum of inside angle in any triangle equal 180. So in this triangle we have measure of angle A 75 degree and measure of angle C 65 degree, and we must find the measure of angle of B. Who can tell me? We know sum of interior angles in any triangle equal 180. Then the measure of angle of B equal 180. Subtract sum of them. Measure of angle A plus measure of angle C. 75 plus 65. 180 subtract by 5 plus 5 equal 10. 0 and carry up 1. 7 plus 7 equal 14. The result will be 40 degree. So the measure of angle B equal 40 degree. Okay. So this triangle will be acute. Yes, acute triangle, and the side will be scalene. Scalene, this side will be difference, AB, C. We know AC not equal, CB not equal, CB, because we have the different about the measure of all angle here. So, which we solve here? We know BC opposite angle A, then BA, then BC, look at here, BC opposite angle A, then BC, the length of BC more than the length AB, because AB opposite 65, and measure of angle B opposite AC, then AB more than what? The last one here, AC. Okay? So in this example, you must know the measure of any angles in any triangle, okay? And then you can order ascending or descending as you like about in the example. I write BC greater than EB greater than EC, because measure of angle A more than measure of angle C, measure of angle more than measure of angle B. Okay, understood? Okay, so we must look at here. Look at letter A, AB greater than BC, it's wrong. AB less than AC, it's wrong. BC greater than AB, yes, BC greater than AB. So we must choose letter C about this example. Okay, understood? BC more than AB. So we must choose letter C about question number 3. Letter C. AB greater than AB. Look at with me about question number 4. Question number 4 here. If XA equal XB and YA equal YB, then straight line XY space line segment AB. We must draw here triangle XA equal XB. He asked about this and he told us about AX equal BX or XA equal XB, and YA equal YB. Look at here, if we want to write here مثلا such that here YA equal YB, okay, YB equal YA. Then if we draw straight line passing through the point Y and X, it will be perpendicular to the base. So YX, straight line YX will be perpendicular to AB. Okay, we must choose letter B about question 4. Again, XY must be perpendicular to AB, because YA equal YB and XA equal XB, then X and Y will be subset, set of X and Y subset about straight line passing through X and Y, then XY perpendicular to AB and bisect the base to lanes equal in lanes. Okay, question number 5. Look at with me about question number 5 here. In triangle ABC, if measure of angle B equal 90 degree and D is the midpoint of EC, then EC equal space. We must draw triangle to know properties here. We have triangle here, right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle at B 90 degree, ABC is right angle triangle. A measure of angle B 90 degree and D is the midpoint of AC. D lies between A and C. In the half of distance about AC, then BD, okay, we must write BD here will be equal half AC. Okay, BD, the length of BD, it will be what? BD equal half of AC, because BD is the median of triangle. We know the median, it's a line segment joined between the vertex and what? And the midpoint about opposite side here. So BD is called it's the median. Okay, so we must choose what he asked about AC. Look at here. AC will be twice BD. Twice BD. We must write letter A. We must write here letter A. Twice BD. Okay, so we must choose letter A about question number 5. Look at question number 6. The measure of exterior angle of equilateral triangle equal 120. He asked about, in this example, asked about exterior angle about equilateral triangle. This angle, the measure of it will be 120. Why? Because 120 supplementary about angle 60 degree. Because we have equilateral triangle, each measure of angle of one of them equals 60 degree. Each angle of one of them equals 60 degree, and the exterior angle here will be 120. Okay. Question number 2. The longest side in the right angle triangle is called, we called it what? Hypotenuse. Okay. Number 1. The longest side in the right angle triangle is hypotenuse. We called it what? Hypotenuse. You know this properties. If ABC is the right angle triangle, then AB is the longest side here. We called it hypotenuse. Question number 2. The point of intersection of the median of triangle divides each median in ratio 40 space from the base. This word base, okay? We know from the base will be 1, 2, 2 from the base. But in this example, he write from the base 4. So we must write here 8 because 4 half of 8. It's okay. Again, the point of intersection of medians of the triangle divides each median in the ratio from the base. This word here base. Okay, we must write here base, this word right here, this word here base. Okay, 4 to 8, 4 to 8, because the ratio will be 1 to 2 from the base to the vertex here, 1 to 2. Okay, so we must write 4 because 4 to half of 8. Okay, look at question number 3. In the opposite figure, x plus y plus z equal space degree. I will draw it again here. We have 3 straight line intersection. Look at here. It was z and here x and y. It's not clear about me. Okay. Okay, I will draw it again here. Okay, look at here. He asked about the measure of angle x plus z and y. We know this straight line intersection, this straight line here in the point, so the vertical angle equals. We have opposite vertical angle x here. It will be x, and x will equal z equals z, and y equals y. Okay, we have 3 angle here. Sum of 3 angle here equal 180. So x plus y plus z equal what? Equal 180 degree. It was question number 3. Question number 4, down here, look at with me. Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle, and measure B equal 180, then measure of angle B equal space degree. We have isosceles triangle. Can you draw isosceles triangle with me? It's very easy because the measure of the vertex here 180, 100 degree here. Okay. We know the sum of interior angle of any triangle equal 180, so we can find the measure of angle what? ABC is triangle and give us measure of angle B equal 100 degree. So we must clear this sign here. He must ask it about measure of angle A or C. Okay, it's wrong in this example. Okay, it's wrong. Okay, this sign must be changed to measure angle of A, or he asked about measure of angle C. Okay, don't worry, it's very easy about you. In the exams, the teacher will write the correct answer for you. Okay, don't panic. This angle here 100 degree, and we have isosceles triangle. He tell us that. He tell you triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. So we must find the angle, measure of angle A and measure of angle C. Measure of angle A equal measure of angle C equal what? 180 subtract by 100 divided by 2. Okay, because sum of interior triangle equal 180. Then measure of angle A equal measure of angle of C equal 180 subtract 100 divided by 2. It will be 40 degree. Okay? Okay. So he must write here measure of angle what? Measure of angle C equal 40 degree, or measure of angle A equal 40 degree. Okay? Never mind. Okay. Question number 5. In triangle ABC, we have triangle ABC such that this figure here, AB equal 3 centimeter and BC equal 4 centimeter. Then AC will be what? We know x belonging to open interval from the difference and the aid about 3 side here, or 2 side unknown here, 4 minus 3 and 4 plus 3. So x must belong to what? 4 minus 3 and 1, and 4 plus 3 equals 7. So the third side must be belong to the open interval from 1 to 7. So we must write in this space here by left hand side 1 and 7. Okay, it's very easy for you. Okay, never mind. In this example, it's very easy. First, we must find the difference about 2 sides here. Find the difference between them, and you must add the two sides here. Add them and subtract. We must subtract them and add together. Okay, 4 minus 3 equal 1 and 4 plus 3 equals 7. So the third side here must be belonging to the open interval from 1 to 7. Okay, look at another example here. Look at with me question number 3. Okay, I will clear it with you to understand. Okay, it's clear. Okay, in this example we have triangle. Okay, and we have two median in triangle bisect each other in the point. Okay, I will draw it again here in the paper to understand. Don't worry, it's very easy. We know the 3 median in any triangle intersect at one point, and this point divides the median from base to height to base to the vertex from 1 2 from the base to the vertex. Okay, but it point divided from the vertex to the base 2 and 1. Okay, look at with me here. We have x, the midpoint between A and B, and here C. Side here 5 centimeter and this side 3 centimeter. It was y, and he want to find the parameter about triangle MAC. Where MAC here? MAC here. We know the parameter of triangle equal MC. We want to find the length of MC. Okay, and MA, MC, and MA and AC. Okay, the proof such that x and y lie in the midpoint of AB and BC. Then XY will be equal half of AC. Then EC equal 10 centimeter. Okay, it's very easy for you. First we get AC equal 10 centimeter because it's a line segment joined between the midpoint about two sides in triangles. In XY equal half of AC equal 10 centimeter. This side 10 centimeter. And I will complete it here again. You must write after me to know steps, okay? And then I will complete here, okay? And then M is the intersection. M is the intersection of the medians of triangle. Of the medians of triangle ABC. Then MA is twice MY equals 6 centimeter. So this side we get this side 6 centimeter. Okay, I will write the list here. Okay, and then MC will be twice. MC will be twice what? Oh, he give us CX. Look at here. Look at here. CX equal to 12 centimeter. This side 12 centimeter. So we can find MC. It will be what about CX? We can write 2 over 3, 2/3. This side 2/3 about CX because M is the midpoint about intersection here, median. So CM equal 2 over 3 about CX. We get us CX equal 12. I get this in this example. Get length in the example here. CX equal 12. Then the result will be 12 divided by 3 equal 4. 4 times 2 equal 8. So MC will be 8 centimeter. Then the perimeter of triangle will be equal what? 6 plus 8 plus 10. It will be what? 6 plus 8 equal 14 plus 10 equal 24. 24 centimeter. Understood this example? Okay, look at next example here. Letter B. Look at with me about letter B. In the opposite figure, BM bisects angle. I will draw it again here to understood. Okay, my students, we have triangle here, and we have 2 bisects angle here and 2 bisects here intersection and 2 at the point, 1 point here. Yes, look at here, this point M, and here C and B, and the vertices here A. We have isosceles triangle, and this angle equal this angle, and this angle equal this angle. He asked about prove that EM is the line symmetry of BC. You must ask yourself why EM will be line symmetry. We must prove that MC equal MB, and he gave us AB equal AC. If you prove that MC equal MB, you will get that measure of angle P will measure of angle C here. Okay, look at about this example with me. We must write in the first here such that in triangle ABC, we have what? We have AB equal AC. Then measure of angle B will be equal measure of angle C, and then we can divide it by 2. Then half of measure of angle B equal measure half of angle C. Okay, because measure of angle B equal measure of angle C, then measure of angle B divided by 2 equal half of measure of angle C. And we have here, we have the ray BM bisects. Yes, he give us in this information here, BM bisect angle B, and the ray CM bisect angle C. then measure of angle MCB, we will get here 1 and that angle will be 2. Okay, we'll do sign here. Measure of angle 1 equal measure of angle 2. So the triangle here will be isosceles. Yes. So this triangle will be isosceles. Then MC will be equal MB. And then MC equal MB. And he give us AC was equal AB. So we will get the proof here. You are finished because you prove that MC equal MB and AC equal AB and you get this answer. So we can write here, then we can write the straight line EM is the line symmetry, is the axis of symmetry of base BC. It's okay because triangle here is isosceles. We prove that MC equal MB and we have AC equal FB. Then we have two straight line equal lengths and two straight line equal lengths and the side here MC equal MB. So M must be belonging to straight line what AM. This point must lies in straight line AM, and we have A lies in straight line AM, and we have isosceles triangle. AM will be perpendicular to the base. We'll AM perpendicular to CB, and then M belonging to straight lines, and AM will be the axis of symmetry of the base BC. Okay, question number 4. Look at question number 4 with me. Question number 4, in the opposite figure we have triangle here. We have triangle. Yes, this triangle here, and here another triangle, and this piece here. They give us this angle 140 degree and this angle 120 degree. A, B, C, and D here, and H. In this example, we want to prove that BC more than AB. You must ask yourself, how we can solve this? Look at BC, this side. We must prove that BC more than AB. So we must get the measure of angle A and the measure of angle C. And you must prove that measure of angle A greater than measure of angle C. Okay? Who can solve this with me? We know the proof. We must write in the first such that B belonging to a straight line AD. B belonging to a straight line AD. Then measure of angle ABC equal 180 subtract by 140 equal 40 degree. This angle will be 40 degree. Okay, and we can write again such that C belonging to a straight line AH. C belonging to a straight line AH. Then measure of angle ACB equal 180 subtract by 120 equals 60 degree. This angle will be 60 degree, and you can get the measure of angle A by 840 plus 60, and the result we must subtract it by 180. Okay, because the sum of interior in triangle equal 180, such that in triangle ABC measure of angle A equal 180 subtract by 60 plus 40. 180 subtract by 100. The result will be 80 degree. Okay, this angle will be 80 degree. And then 80 more than 60, such that measure of angle A is greater than measure of angle what? Measure of angle C. Then we prove that BC is greater than AB. Okay? Look at next question here. Question number what? Question number B. We have here triangle, right angle triangle, and calculate the perimeter. We want to calculate the perimeter of triangle. Okay, we can find the length about the median about triangle. Okay, because he give us D is the midpoint of CA. Look at here with me about this example. Look at with me, such that triangle in triangle ABC, measure of angle B 90 degree, and D is the midpoint of AC, then DB is the median of triangle ABC, called it the median. Okay, then BD equal half of AC. Okay, half of AC equal 5 centimeter, and we have angle here 30 degree, such that measure of angle C equal 30 degree, then AB will be half of AC equal 5 centimeter, and then we can find the parameter about triangle ABD. And parameter of triangle ABD equal 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal 15 centimeter. Okay, and we have here AD equal 5 centimeter in this example, because D is the midpoint of EC. 10 divided by 2 equal 5, and here BD half of 10 equal 5 centimeter, and the AB half of 10 equal 5 centimeter. Question number 5. Look at here. We have triangle ABC, and it's a bisect about angle. He wants to prove that BC, where BC, we want to prove that the PC, this line segment, more than BD. So we must prove that the measure of angle here, D, greater than measure of angle here. Okay, first we know B is belonging to straight line AD. Then measure of angle C, we will write here 1, and this angle 2, and this angle 3. Okay, 1 2 1 2 3, and this angle 4. Okay, then measure of angle 1 will be greater than measure of angle 3, because exterior angle about triangle ADC. This angle exterior, and the measure of angle 1 more than measure of angle 3. Okay, measure of angle 1 more than measure of angle what? 3. And we have bisect angle. We have here such that straight line, he give us straight line CD, or the rays CD bisect angle C, then measure of angle 2 will be equal measure of angle 3. Measure of angle 2 equal measure of angle 3. And we prove that measure of angle 1 greater than measure of angle 3, then measure of angle 1 greater than measure of angle 2. Then measure of angle 1 will be greater than measure of angle 2. Then we prove that what? Then we prove that BC will be greater than BC. This the answer about this question. Again, I will solve it again. Look at me. Here, he want to prove that CB greater than, he wants this side greater than this side. Okay, so we must prove that measure of angle 1 greater than measure of angle 2, because this angle opposites the side, and angle 2 greater opposite the angle DB. So we must prove that measure of angle 1 greater measure of angle 2. How? We know measure of angle 1 more than measure of angle 3. Why? Because it's exterior angle about triangles. The measure of angle 1 equal or more than greater than measure of angle 3, and we know CD is a bisect angle C. So measure of angle 2 equal measure of angle 3, and measure of angle 1 greater than measure of angle 3, then measure of angle 1 will be greater than measure of angle 2, and then the line segment CB will be greater than the line segment DB. Okay, question last one here. Question number 5B in the opposite figure. Prove that triangle BDC is 90 degree. He want to prove that this triangle equal 90 degree, and they give us AH half of PC is the median. No, he give us in BAH equal. Okay, I will solve it again here about this example. It's very easy, don't worry. I will solve it now. Okay, don't worry about this example. First, he give us H is a midpoint. We have triangle here, we have right angle triangle here. Okay, and this was the median about triangle, and he draw here another triangle here. I will draw by ruler to be clear, okay, with you. We have here triangle. We have two triangle in this shape here. We have first triangle, and this is the second triangle here. First and second triangle, okay. And we have the median in the first triangle. This is the median here. We have right angle here, and this is the median. Okay, and he gives us this side HA equal this side A, B, C, D, and this side equals this side. Okay, such that H is the midpoint of CB, then AH is the median. So we can prove that AH will be half of CB. Why? Because measure of angle A equal 90 degree. He give us measure of angle A equal what? 90 degree. In triangle ABC, AH is the median, and measure of angle A 90 degree, and then AH equal half of CB. Okay, and he give us AH was equal DH, AH equal DH, and we have DA DH will be equal half of CB. Why? Because we have AH equal half of CB from the triangle, first triangle here, and in second triangle we will get DH half of measure or half of DH half of CB. Okay, so because AH equal half C of B, again AH half of CB, and we have AH equal DA. He give us AH equal DA, then DA will be half of CB, and then we can prove that here measure of angle D will be 90 degree. Okay, again, how we solve this example? We solve this example by prove that DH, look at here, DH half of CB. If DH half of CB, then measure of angle D equal 90 degree. I prove that by using the properties here about right angle triangle here. ABC is right angle triangle at A, and H is the midpoint about CB, then AH equal half of CB, and he give us DH equal AH, then DH will be half of CB in triangle CDB, then measure of angle D equal 90 degree. Okay, my students, understood? You must study hard. Okay, goodbye. You must study hard on question. In the next time I will solve the next model. Pay attention about all example, and I will solve it in the future. Okay, goodbye. Thank you, my students.